In this video, we're going to be talking about how to create a Shein account for beginners. So let's get straight into the video. If you haven't already downloaded and installed the Shein application, simply go ahead and do so. Once you go ahead and do it, simply go ahead and open it and click on the Me tab on the bottom right-hand side of your screen. Now, what you want to do is click on sign in/register at the top. Now, this is where you want to simply go ahead and enter a email or a phone number. If you don't have an account, it's just going to go ahead and click on continue. They're going to send you a verification code to the mobile number or email that you provided. And when you enter that code back, they are going to let you create a password. You can also click on these options, which is going to be contact with or connect with Google, or continue with Facebook, or continue with Apple. This does work as well. Simply go ahead and tap on either of those and then verify yourself, and it is going to go ahead and log you in from that account. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.